Hello awesome viewers, how are you all? Welcome back to another video. Guys, in this video we are going to discuss how to apply for one card. Without any further ado, let us start the video. So let me click on install. So now it is installing. It is 36.97 MB. It will take a second to install. I'll add this link in the description for the viewers to download. Just click on the link, you can download the onecard app. So let me open this. So this is the look and feel of onecard. It also comes with a metal version. It's a smart card, smart app. We can get reward points, we can get 5x reward points, and of course there is a zero joining fee. Now let me click on get started. Now here you have to enter your phone number. The phone number will be registered mobile number, and also just let it be clicked. I want to receive communications on WhatsApp. What it does is whenever you do a payment, you'll get a direct intimation in the WhatsApp itself. This is very helpful. So now I have clicked on get OTP. So as soon as you get OTP, this interface will come. Now you can see the metal card, the look and feel is really good. So let me click on start application. Here you can choose any one of it. If I sign in with Gmail, you'll get the updates in Gmail, etc. So I'm doing with Gmail. Previous to this screen, we have to enter the app pin. That will be the pin for your app. Whenever you log into app, you have to enter the pin, and also whenever you do an online transaction, that pin is very important. You should set that pin. Now in this screen, after you have set the pin, this screen will come up. In this screen you have to enter your PAN details. So once you have entered the first name, last name, date of birth and the gender, you'll get to this screen. Here you will say please enter the exact current address. This will be the address where the card will be delivered. So card will be delivered to the address. Later you can change the address after the card delivery. Got it. So here you have to enter the details. So let me enter the details. Now after entering the address, this screen will come. You have to confirm your PAN card. Here PAN number is compulsory. So here you have to confirm your details. Once you have seen the details and everything is fine, click on this I have read the onecard and conditions. Then click on confirm. Now it will fetch your reports. It will start processing your application. So it says you are qualified for the combo offer, and we have to get FD. Now credit limit on the FD is 150%. That's really good. So once you have read this, 5x reward points, create FD of 50,000 to get metal card. Withdraw FD anytime, no lock-in period. Okay, so let me click on continue. So once you click on continue, you can see the credit limit. Approved credit limit is 2,000. So I have to enter the FD amount of 2,000. If you are entering 20,000, you can enter 20,000. 50,000, you can enter 50,000. 50,000, if you enter, you will get a free metal credit card. And also you can enter any amount here. Okay, for now I'll enter 2,000 rupees. So let me click on create FD amount of 2,000. So once you click on create FD amount, it will say congratulations, you have unlocked a one card. So here you can see at the bottom approved credit limit is 2,000. So I'll click on get one card. So 2,000 is the minimum amount. Here you have to enter mother's first name, last name, for the first name and for the last name, and nationality if you're Indian or a foreign national. So once you have entered that, you'll get this screen. You have to enter your personal details, marital status and occupation, annual income, and if you are a relative of a politically exposed person. So let me enter this. So now we are into this screen where it will ask the device location. You just enter while using this app. So now we have to grant access to that. Your one card is now ready. Okay, here I have to click on the terms and condition. If you want to see the terms and condition, click on I have read one card terms and condition. Click on continue, and you can see this is a brand of SBM Bank. It's a good bank, so 2000 is a basic FD amount. You can start with that. Let me click on continue. Here now you have to take a selfie. So once you have confirmed your selfie, now next screen will be loaded. Now here you have to enter the account and make sure your account details have enough balance. For now I have to have at least 2000 in my account, so I'll click on got it. So here you have to enter the bank account number. You have to enter the account number, IFSC details for the bank, and then you can click on continue. So once you have entered the bank details, they'll successfully deposit 1 rupee in your bank account. Once that is done, click on continue. Now here you can pay the fixed amount of rupees 2000. Now I'll pay with UPI. So your payment was successful. Now here you can write your relationship for the nominee. You can write your mother, you can write your father, husband, etc. and his spouse. So nominee name, you can, if you want to enter now, you can enter, or later you can enter later. So I have added the nominee. Now here we'll get the current address. So if you want to confirm this current as same as permanent address, I hereby declare that my permanent address and the address mentioned on the document are different. If they are different, just click on that. If the both address are same, click on the first option. Let me click on confirm. So now this will be how our one card will look like. The name will be on the left hand side. Let me click on confirm. So curating your one card, setting the FD. So now here you will get the confirmation like this. So now you will get confirmation, the fixed deposit status. It will take 1 to 2 working days. So now once everything is done, your app, so now here it is saying that to activate my card now. So let me click on activate my in-app card, so I can use this app for online purchases. So virtual card is now activated. I'll click on done. So this is introduction first to swipe to. So this is all the steps which we have to follow while doing a online purchase. This step 4, step 5. Now congratulations, you are ready to verify your purchases. Now let me click on get started. So that was the session for one card. I have explained from the beginning to end just to apply. And in future videos we'll see how we can get more benefits out of one card, and also in future if we can want to withdraw the FD. Also I'll create one more video on that. And also it's easy card to apply. I'll give the link in the description. Just click on the link and try to see this video to apply. It's very easy procedure, and the card is based on the FD, and card is as transparent as you want. You can see all the transactions, you can get all the reward points, and you can pay by coins also, whatever the reward points you got. So there are a lot in this card to explore. Hope you have liked the video, guys. If you like the video, please click on like. If you're a new viewer, please click on subscribe. Till then guys, take care, have a great day. Bye bye.